What is up, guys? TechRex here. So I did receive a package just now in the mail. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and see what it is. So I have my scissors right here, and I did cut a little slot right here. Let's just fully. Quite difficult doing this with two hands, you know. While holding the camera is what I mean. Okay, so there you go. Looks like it is okay. It's the new GTA 5 copy for the PlayStation 3. Let me zoom in on that. You got the multiplayer leaderboards, lobby, trophies, all that good stuff. Most expensive game ever made by Rockstar, or actually any video game of that matter. Let's go ahead and open it up. God, I hate. This is going to take forever to open. Okay, there you go. Open the plastic. This package was from Amazon.com. There we go. Throw that away. Alright, let's check it out. Nice. Brand new. Oh, oops. I guess actually I'm going to use that code just because you guys saw it now and I shouldn't have showed it to you guys. It looks like there's like a map over there. That's pretty cool. Wait, what else do they have in here? You have an entire map. And then I think this is the actual manual. Okay, so forget about this stuff. Let's get to the big thing, the disc. We're gonna go ahead and open this bad boy up. There you go. Okay. Let's see. Ooh, that smells bad. Can I don't know if I want to touch that. Oh man, that reeks. Okay, hold on. Ooh, not bad. Not bad. Let's check this out. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Look at that. That's something more like it, you know? That's the way Rockstar should have made it, you know? It looks just so much better this way. I mean, just look at it, man. Looks pretty freaking awesome. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for this video. I do want to let you guys know this is completely, you know, just a joke. Don't actually microwave, you know, your GTA 5 copy, because it's a great game, you know, and they put a lot of hard work into this game, so you can play it. I'm just doing this for, you know, entertainment purposes. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Many more to come. Stay tuned for more videos, and peace out.